In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to your Unbounce pages. If you use Unbounce for landing pages, adding Google Tag Manager or GTM is the easiest way to manage analytics, conversion tracking, and marketing pixels without touching code on every page. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Unbounce. Click the official Unbounce website in the search results. Make sure you're on the correct domain and signed in securely. Once you're on the Unbounce dashboard, log in with the account that owns the pages you want to track. After you're in, head to Settings. You'll find this in the main navigation of your Unbounce account. Settings is where account-level tools live. Inside Settings, choose Script Manager. Script Manager lets you add one script and deploy it across many pages and subdomains, which saves you from editing each page individually. Next, click Add a Script. Unbounce provides ready-made templates here, and we'll use one of them. From the drop-down menu, select Google Tag Manager. This option automatically places the GTM snippet in the correct parts of your pages so you don't have to copy and paste full code blocks manually. You'll see a field asking for your container ID. Paste your GTM container ID here. You can copy it from your Google Tag Manager workspace. It appears at the top of the interface and typically starts with GTM followed by a dash and characters. Paste it exactly as shown, with no extra spaces. Now look at the script usage panel. Choose where this GTM code should run. Select the subdomain or subdomains that host your Unbounce pages, such as the domains you use for campaigns or testing. If you manage multiple brands or regions, pick only the ones that should share this container. This targeting ensures tags don't fire on the wrong pages. When you've chosen the right subdomain scope, click Save and Publish Script. Publishing activates the GTM installation for the locations you selected. Allow a moment for the change to propagate. If you don't see GTM immediately, check a published version of your landing page rather than the preview, and refresh your browser cache. That's it. Your Unbounce pages are now connected to Google Tag Manager. From here, you can manage all your tags inside GTM, push updates without republishing pages, and keep your tracking organized. As a quick tip, after publishing, you can use your preferred debugging tool to confirm that GTM loads correctly on a live page. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing!